I almost missed to make some video from today. I removed this railing to fix some imperfections underneath, like this. As you see, there's a rotten material, will be replaced, and some little cosmetics like these to make it like new. Maybe somebody repaired it before there. So I would like to, there's the lamination. I will try to make it perfect today. So you see the process when I open the laminate. This is the plywood. It's more like the mud. As you see, it holds nothing. And this is full of water. Now I removed the part of the rotten plywood. As you see, it is a see-through hole. And I will continue. As you see, it's nothing so discreet. It's now connected in the material with consistency like this. So I will make a new, this whole part, maybe more if needed. And another funny thing what I found is this. It doesn't hold almost like nothing, yeah. And you can try to put the spinnaker on this. So this whole part is gone. So I will cut out it everywhere when needed and replace with the new plywood. Next thing what I found is this. Maybe I will show you on the other side how it looks like before, but this part was completely rotten, so now I am removing it and preparing to repair. Part with the cleat, and as expected was a little bit rotten there, so there will be a new part of wood and plywood, and then I will fix the cleat back again. So I have to make one of the biggest puzzle in the world to close these openings. I changed my mind, so with the repairing this teak slice, because I had this one to put it in, but it was too complicated to level up the surface, so I decided to fill it up with a filler, and will be brushed with at the same level as the cedars, and I will put some color on it just to be like a fake teak but forever, because it's made from epoxy. Also I made this big puzzle there, so and again we have a nice weather. It's a sunny day, 20 degrees. And now during the epoxy is curing and getting hard, I removed the port lights on the side. And I have to prepare it to put a new plexiglass on it. So I will sand the surface, then some laminate and epoxy to make it more stiff, and then some insulation and epoxy glass on. Okay, still it's here, very nice place. So I'm almost finishing today. This is the seat in the cockpit where I removed this teak plank, and I put in, instead of it, the epoxy. Yeah, now it is grinded, and I will put one layer of epoxy on it, and then will be painted white. So I will continue. So this part of the boat is almost finished. I just removed the bill ply off, and it looks like this. Somewhere are little air traps, but it doesn't matter because it's two layer of laminate and epoxy. So I will fix that later. Now I will grind it to the perfect at the edges, paint on, and I will put the railing back. So as much work as I have, I'm missing to make a video. So now this part is already repaired. It's in first layer of paint. So it looks like this. And from the farther distance, work on this part. So tomorrow I will put the railing back. So it happened again. I missed to make some videos because of a lot of work. So I cleaned it up and prepared the surface for painting, and now is the edge painted. Tomorrow will be the railing mounted back to the space. And this part is finished.